New BBC drama The Moorside. Headlines all over the UK were dominated by Shannon's disappearance on February 19, 2008, with police undertaking the largest search operation since the Yorkshire Ripper 30 years earlier. The West Yorkshire schoolgirl was later found on March 14, 2008, a short distance away from her hometown of Dewsbury. She was discovered in a flat owned by Michael Donovan, the uncle of Craig Meehan, who is the boyfriend of Shannon's mother, Karen Matthews. It was soon discovered the whole kidnapping had been a scam between Donovan and Karen Matthews to claim a £50,000 reward, with the pair being sentenced to prison for 8 years for kidnap, false imprisonment and perverting the course of justice. In the property, Shannon was found alive, drugged and concealed in the base of a divan bed, with Uncle Michael Donovan being arrested instantly at the scene in Batley car. Karen's boyfriend Craig Meehan, however, had nothing to do with Shannon's abduction, but was jailed for 20 weeks afterwards for the possession of indecent images of children on his computer. After the trial of Karen and Donovan, Shannon was placed in the care of her local authority and given a new identity. Shannon Matthews is now living with a new family aged 18, and is believed to not have any contact with her mother.